Disgraced former Chicago police officer Jason Van Dyke returns to court.
It is his first appearance since he was found guilty of second-degree murder and the death of Laquan McDonald. CBS 2's Mike Puccinelli joins us live now from the Layton Criminal Courthouse with more on what happened. Hi, Mike.
Hi, and he was wearing a yellow jail jumpsuit at the time when he walked into court. His hands were not handcuffed and his feet were not shackled at the time. This is video of the now former Chicago police officer just after he learned that he had been convicted of second-degree murder and 16 counts of aggravated battery with a firearm for killing Laquan McDonald 4 years ago. At the time, he put his hands behind his back and walked out of the courtroom as if he were handcuffed. By now, the 40-year-old disgraced cop has been cuffed numerous times. Today, he once again had his hands behind his back when he walked into the courtroom, but the judge prevented the camera from rolling at the time, so we don't have any video to show you from today's short hearing. But the defense filed several motions which will be discussed at the next court date in about 6 weeks.
The defense filed their post-trial motions, a motion for a new trial, a motion for what's called a judgment of acquittal and judgment notwithstanding the verdict. We have time to respond to those in writing, and the judge will hear those on December 14th.
I met with Jason today, obviously, and he had a brief moment to meet with his family, and he is doing okay, but he is sad, he is scared, and he is lonely.
There's another court date which sends a signal to us that the judge and the prosecutors are aggressively trying to get to the end of this trial, and we're thankful for that.
And this is the videotaped killing of Laquan McDonald from October 20th, 2014. That was the 17-year-old ward of the state's great uncle who you just heard from last there. He was asked what he was hoping for in terms of a sentence, and he replied simply, justice. Jason Van Dyke is being housed right now in the Rock Island County Jail. He was transported here last night for purposes of this hearing. And as for how he looked in court, folks described him as fatigued. Reporting live at the courthouse of 2060 California, Mike Puccinelli, CBS 2 News. Marissa?